One of the AP hot questions. Along a road lie an odd number of stones placed at intervals of 10 meters. These stones have to be assembled around the middle stone. A person can carry only one stone at a time. A man carried the job with one of the end stones by carrying them in succession. In carrying all the stones, he covered a distance of 3 kilometers. Find the number of stones. So first, let me make you understand what the question is saying. The question is saying there are total number of stones are n odd number of stones. Okay, so total number of stones are odd, and how to represent an odd number? Odd numbers are represented by 2n plus 1 only. Okay, this is the representation of the odd number. So let us suppose there are 2n plus 1 number of stones are there lying on the road. Okay, now he is taking one by one all the stones, okay, and is keeping in the middle stone, around the middle stone. So first we have to get which number is the middle stone. Okay, what is the number of the middle stone? Like this is first stone, second stone, third stone. Okay, so what is the number of the middle stone that we have to get? So when there is a series of like odd number, no, here odd number, suppose I'm keeping one series of odd number here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, suppose I take 7 stones, and 7 is a odd number only. So I know my middle number will be 4, but how to get this 4? The first number plus last number divided by 2. See, first number plus last number divided by 2, so you will get 4, which is the middle number. So in this series also the same thing I did. To get the middle number, the first number, which is 1, plus last number is 2n plus 1. These both I added, 1 plus 2n plus 1 and divided by 2. So what I will get, 2n plus 2 by 2 only. So 2 take common, so n plus 1 by 2, 2 got cancelled. So n plus 1 is the number of my middle stone. Okay, so like this is my middle stone, which is n plus 1. So before this, what stone will be the n number? Okay, so that means in the left side also we have kept n number of stones, and right side also we have kept n number of stones. Okay, and distance between consecutive two stones is 10 kilometers. Okay, 10 meters, sorry. Distance between two consecutive stones they have given 10 meters. Okay, and total distance, by collecting all the stones one by one and keeping in the middle, total distance they have given 3 kilometers, which is 3000 meters only. Okay, so first let me explain you how to make the series in the LHS. LHS means left side part of the middle stone. Okay, so see, this is here my middle stone is n plus 1. Okay, so I took a series, just for example, okay, of 6 stones only. Okay, I kept 6 stones. Sixth one is my middle stone only. Okay, now so how many stones I left, how many stones I kept in my left side? 5 only, है ना? So 5 means 6 minus 1, 5. That means this last just stone before the middle number will be n only, correct? Okay, now I have to pick this is my A point. Okay, where my number 1 stone is kept. Now this is my A point. So from A point he will take the because they are telling in the question from one end he is starting to collect a stone. Okay, so he will go first from A point, he will take the stone, he will go to the middle stone, he will keep the stone over there, and he will come again. But now he don't have to come again to A point, he will come to point B, which is my second stone only. Okay, this is B, which is my second stone only. So he will take this number 2 stone, again he will go to the same path in the to keep this stone in the middle stone. Okay, around the middle stone. So like this, now again he will come to the number C. Number C means to take the third stone. Okay, so if you see, first he took 50, like because the total number of stones are 5, so 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 50. Okay, 5 into 10. 5 is the number of stones before the middle stone, and 10 means 10 kilometer distance. Okay, so we got 50. Okay, then he returned back 40 only, because he has to came now to B point only, he don't have to go to A point. So that means 40. Again he is going the same distance to keep the stone, so 40 plus 40. Then he will come to C point, which is 30. Again he will go to keep the stone in the middle, so 30 plus 30. Like that, if you make the series, 20 will also come 2 times, and 10 will also come 2 times. Okay, so this is the series. So in our question, what is our so see 50 means n value, no, 5 means n value, 5 is n value, and into 10, as everything came 2 times. Okay, so like this we can make our series. See, n value is n into 10, n into 10 only, huh? Not 10 into 2, because here see every time like 50, no, 50k I can write 5 into 10 into 2, then 40, because 50 has come only one time, right? So I should write 5 into 10 only. 40 I should write a fourth number of stone, 10 meter is the distance, and it has come 2 times. 40 has come 2 times. 30, for 30 also 3 into 10 into 2, because 30 also has come 2 times. Only that number 5, no, that has only come 1 time. That means n only has come 1 time, every number has come 2 times. Okay, so I made the series here. See, n into 10, then before n what will come, which number will come? N minus 1. Okay, then here see, into 10 into 2 also has come, and continue my series. See, 1 second, yeah. So like this, 3 into 10 into 2, then 2 into 10 into 2, and 1 into 10 into 2. This is the my series. This is the total distance covered in the LHS part. Okay, now 10n will be 10n only, and from this series now, this is not required. Okay, just I took the last term, which is 10n, and plus this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, keep on going. Okay, so this is my last term. Okay, so from this now I have take 20 common from the first, second, third, fourth, and till this is my last term. From I took 20 common. So what is left? N minus 1 plus 3, 2, and 1 will left in the bracket. Okay, now 10n plus 20. So I flipped the series, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 I kept in the starting, and this n minus 1 I kept in the last. That will not matter. Okay, so 10n plus 20. Now see, this is the this sum you can find out. This sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n minus 1 you can find out putting the sum formula in AP. So what is the sum formula in AP? Last term divided by 2, number of last term divided by 2 means n by 2. So n is here n minus 1 by 2 into 2 into the first term plus last term minus 1. So and into n minus, what is the formula? 2a plus n minus 1. So here is n minus 1 and common difference. Okay, so 10n plus 20 and 2 I cancelled out, and n minus 1, and this I simplified. 2 into 1 is 2 only, and plus n minus 2 will be left. Okay, so minus 2 plus 2 again got cancelled. This minus 2 plus 2 got cancelled, and this 2 and this 20 I got cancelled. So what is left? 10n plus 10, n minus 1 into only n left. So this is my LHS part, correct? Now we have to take the RHS part. So see here now that LHS will not come to equal to RHS distance. I will tell you how. See, suppose for RHS also I have to explain in the same way. See, for RHS I have taken this example. Okay, so this is my middle stone. Okay, this here only he has to, M means middle stone, here only he has to keep 1 by 1 all the stones. Okay, so we saw in LHS part there were 5 stones. So that means RHS part will also will be same 5 number of stone, then only it is a middle stone, no? So see, 5 stones I kept in the RHS part. Okay, now so from here from the middle he will go to the first stone, and he will come again to keep in the middle. So 10 plus 10, 20 means 10 has come 2 times. Then 20 plus 20, because he will go to second number of stone, and again he'll come back to the middle stone. So 20 will also come, 30 will also come 2 times, even 40, even 50 will also come 2 times. That means here every number is coming 2 times, but in the LHS the nth number, no, that came only 1 time. So this is the difference here. So here series will be this you have to see, that I gave just for the example. Okay, this you have to see. So see, 2 into 10 plus 2 into 20 plus 2 into 30 till 2 into n into 20. 2 into I will just explain you. 2 into 20 means 2 times. Okay, and 10 is a distance and 1 number of stone. 2 into 20 means 2 times second number of stone, 10 is the distance. Then 2 into 30 means 2 into 3 number of stone into 10 meters. So here also 2 into n number of stones and into 10 meters. Okay, like this only. 20 taking common, what is left? 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n only left. So again you can find out the sum 20 outside, 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n, again n by 2, multiply by 2 into first term plus n minus 1 into common difference. 2 and 20 got cancelled. So what is left? 10n into 2 plus n minus 1. So after calculating 10n n plus 1, this is RHS part. Total distance is 3000. So that means LHS plus RHS will be 3000. So this till here LHS and this is my RHS. So LHS plus RHS equals to 3000. Now just we have to solve. So 10n will be like that only, plus 10 into n 10 square, 10 in this n also we have to multiply. So 10n square minus 10n, okay, and then 10n plus 10. Sorry, here is also one n, correct, yeah, 10n square plus 10n, correct, after multiplication equals to 3000. So 10n square plus 10n square, 20n square, okay, and 10 positive 10n positive 10n negative got cancelled, this 10 only left, so that I wrote here equals to 3000. So 10 common, to 2n square plus n equals to 300 only, after taking 10 common. So 2n square plus n minus 300 equals to 0, and now we have to factorize. So 300 into 2 is 600. So 600 if you factorize, you have to get to such two numbers, their sum should be 1 only. So I got 25 and 24. If I multiply, I'll get 300, and if I subtract means I'll get 1 n only. So from the first two terms, what is common? Only n. So 2n plus 25 will be in the bracket. From the last two term, minus 12 only common, so 2n plus 25 in the bracket. So 2n plus 25 is the first factor, n minus 12 is the second factor. From first factor you will get n value negative, that is not required. From the second factor, which is n minus 12 equals to 12 equals to 0, n minus 12 equals to 0, this only will get n positive, which is 12 only. So n is 12, that means total number of stones were 2n plus 1, so 2 into 12 plus 1 means 25 stones are there. So these are the total number of stones. Thank you.